We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Let's cut this motherfucker open. What's the word, guys? It's your boy, Dre Money. You know what I'm saying? Back again. Back with Big Baby. You know what I'm saying? But guess what we get today? Probably, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I made that the title of the video. That's gonna be mashed in with something else. But we're at my Duke's crib. And you know, if we're at my Duke's crib, that means something came in the mail.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Wonder who it's from for sure. All right, let's cut this motherfucker open. I don't know how the fuck they make this bitch, but this looks terrible. It's on the back. It's like some shit that was recycled. But you know what I'm saying? You're not gonna worry about that because y'all don't see the back of the thing. Y'all don't see the back of the steering wheel. Ooh, oh my god. Ugh. Oh. Let's take the panties off this motherfucker. Take the panties off of it. Give me 1 second. Carbon fiber, you know what I'm saying? It kind of matched the Varvetta steering wheel. I got the paddle shifties, you know what I'm saying? So we good on that, y'all. Really all I came here for. So now I'm about to lock up and leave. All right, so y'all boys can see, this the Varvetta steering wheel. Y'all see, it got the yeah around there. I promise you, yours don't. So don't go look at yours like, yeah, mine got the same shit. And then I'm saying, got this steering wheel. It's a little larger, but that motherfucker sweet. Ooh, but they definitely use like recycled parts or some shit, cause this shit don't look brand new on the back end. Like everything around it do. All the shit behind it don't. Whenever I get this on, I'm gonna get in with y'all. And I just opened this little thing. There was something in here. It shouldn't be that else in there. Nah, ain't nothing else in there. But it came with this. I'm not sure what this supposed to do. It don't look like it do nothing. Is it supposed to read the RPMs right here? When you got that in? I'm not sure. But once again, we're gonna figure out when we get there. All right, what's the word, y'all? So I'm all back off the iPhone. You know what I'm saying? Left my GoPro at the crib, but fuck. Obviously, you know what I'm saying? I showed y'all that steering wheel. You know what I mean? So I gotta try to put it in. But I went to my Duke's crib because I ain't trying to do that at the apartment. You know what I'm saying? Niggas be coming out looking at you and shit. But now I gotta move all this stuff out the way. Here's what the steering wheel. Alright, man. I got my battery disconnected and shit. So now, obviously y'all can see, plenty of times of me taking apart my car. See right there. Damn, right there at 10 mil. You gotta take off this little cap right here. Come on. Like that. And then same thing on that side. What you is gonna have to do, since you ain't got no power no more. I probably should have just turned off the power, but you can't turn your wheel. You gonna have to, you know what I'm saying, force turn it. So, but I got this. I don't think this is gonna work. Let me see if I got an extender. I just got the one out on this side, but let's see. Yeah. See if I can get y'all boys a POV of me doing it. Outside. I do everything by hand. Everything by hand. Damn, where that bitch at? That shit already be out. I don't know I don't know how much of that y'all seen, but I got it out. And now, gotta disconnect that. I ain't gonna play too much with that because, you know what I'm saying, I wired this bitch myself. So, let me go ahead. Well, if y'all go back to the old video where I crashed, y'all see I wired that bitch myself. So, it might be wired correctly, it might not be. I don't got no horns to check to see if it was, so, yeah. Okay, now we got this and we got that. Let's see what all I am missing. Off rip, I can notice that I'm missing this, whatever that is. So I'm gonna need to put that in there. And I really don't see too much else. I be seeing people take these out and put it in theirs. I'm not sure. Well, take these out and put it inside of here. I'm not sure if these programmed specifically to your car, and that's why they do that. But yeah, remember when I said how this bitch made? It looked weird, or it looked used already. But whatever, bro. We about to get this shit figured out, and then I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. This bitch loose, and if you ever need to do that, this is what you gotta do. Put your steering wheel lock on, you know what I'm saying? Put it right here, so when you twist it, it ain't gonna move. And now you got your leverage to, you know what I'm saying, break that bitch without this moving over and shit. Yeah, man, I got that out. Yeah. I'm about to see if this all it takes to get this off. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Other than that wiring part, but we get that shit figured out quickly. So yeah, man, get in. All right, man. I think I connected this shit finally the right way. So you put the red one, with the purple one. If this is 2013 Chrysler 300, you put the red one with the purple one, and you put the black one with the. It's a yellow and white wire. Look like that. Yellow and white. Don't mistake it for the black and white. You got the yellow and white. So you strip both of those. You put the red one on the purple one, and then you put the black one on the yellow and white one. Simple. I think it's simple shit. I don't know, cause I've been sitting here for like an hour doing this shit. So I ain't got the proper tools. You see a motherfucker that made shit work out of this and a motherfucking pocket knife. So if you got the right tools, I'm pretty sure you should do this shit a little bit easier. But let me connect all this shit back and see if it worked. All right, man, I'll pop back out, you know what I'm saying? I'll plug the battery up, you know what I'm saying? I'm happy to the motherfucker. Yeah. This nigga dropped off the wrong package. But look what it say. It say welcome and shit. Hold on, let me see. Turn that bitch on for y'all. Bro, my phone and shit about to die, but look. I have to unplug this, but I'm gonna plug it back in. And y'all should be able to see it. All right, let's see. Yee! Fuck are you talking about? I did this shit by myself, on my own. Motherfucker can't say shit to me. Fuck are you talking about? Cap. All right, man, so next day, everything I did yesterday was wrong. I had to disassemble both of these bitches, you know what I'm saying? Take out these from the new one, and then take the ones out my factory one and put them in here. Well, shit. Where the fuck this shit at? In here. So these are my factory ones. These are the ones that came in the aftermarket ones. So you want to take all the aftermarket parts out and put your factory parts in, which is like your harness. Because I remember I just wired that harness. I just had to wire the factory one back up. Just the old one. Shit. I took the paddle shifters out of the aftermarket ones and then put them in the factory ones. So that should be cool. See that going on right there? But yeah, man. We gonna see if this shit actually work, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. So get in with me. Yee. Man, I bought this. I went and bought this because, you know, motherfucker gotta have this. So I went and tested these wires, bro. I've been watching videos that said this motherfucking purple wire was the power, and this white and yellow wire is the ground. That's motherfucking wrong. Cap. Bro, I just tested this shit, and the motherfucking purple wire is the ground, and then the white wire is the edge. Let me try that again. All right, I'm gonna test that one more time before I even prove that theory. Bro, I swear to God, bro. Y'all not gonna believe this shit, bro. So y'all see this? Only reason, I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know how this shit got here, but only reason this bitch was not working is because I was plugging into here. I don't know where this came from. But my real OBD port is right. Hold on, I'm trying to. My real OBD port is right here. Right there. And that's why my shit wasn't working. This bitch working now. I never plugged it up wrong. I just had it in the wrong OBD port. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Man, I'm about to pull this shit back on here and I'm about to go on the test drive, bro. This shit just pissed me off. Man, you're doing things yourself and then your car been worked on plenty of times. You don't know what the fuck going on with your car. But anyways, man, I'm about to put this shit back on here and then I'm about to, yeah. So get in with me. All right, bet. I'm gonna go back. So yeah, man, as y'all can see, it is working now. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, I am not the right person to do any of this or show y'all how to do anything, but y'all probably can relate to me because y'all see that I go through the trial and error just like y'all. So I rewired this motherfucker 3-4 times. I didn't have to because all I had to do was literally put the motherfucker in the right OBD port. So if you have a 2013 Chrysler 300C, yeah, it is the purple wire and it's the yellow and white wire. Yellow and white wire is the ground. Purple wire is the is your 12 volt. I'm just gonna drive this bitch. And y'all gonna get to see how this motherfucker look. Alright, so look, that's problem number one right there. Is I don't get nothing. Hold on. Let me park this bit. System. Come down on that RPM. Cause be honest, bro. When the motherfucker shifting hard as hell, who doing all that? I'm gonna keep that bitch at 5. The first light you set up is for your low RPMs, and then your second one you set up is like for the highest RPM it should go to. So if you want this to light up a little bit more, put your second RPM around like 4,000, and then your first RPM around 2,000. So y'all can see, obviously, POV drive's coming soon for sure. That flash warning and that shit. I should. Let's see. I'm gonna change that shit. This my motherfucking paddle shifters work now. Yeah, y'all see that? This bitch is tough. Yeah, I'm about to, you know what I'm saying? Mod this bitch up a little bit more on them lights and shit, and then yeah. But really, that's it for real, man. I ain't. Ooh, that's the boys. I see you. They right there. That ain't the fucking boys. That's not the boys. That bitch was too dirty. But anyways, y'all see what's going on. Let's see. motherfucker like that. Damn, they don't give a fuck. Don't hit me, nigga. Yeah, this bitch. This bitch got me hyped. No faking. Let me see if I can change it while I'm sitting here. Fuck it. So like, shit, dinner down to 4, and then we good. Really that. This bitch hard, yeah, I fuck with that. I ain't going back. Man, you see how it's holding gear? And you see how it's holding the RPM? Alright, man, it's your boy Dre Money on the Dre side, you know what I'm saying? You hear that, motherfucker? Yeah, man. It's your boy on the Dre side. You know what I'm saying? These niggas trying to kill me. Boy Dre Money on the Dre side. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Hellcat 57, get in with me. I drop daily bangers, you know what I'm saying? This is how you install your steering wheel the wrong way. So that's probably gonna be the title of this bitch. But anyways, with that being said, get in with me. Yee. Alright, remember I said, you know what I'm saying, this motherfucker do something. Let me show y'all. Hold on, let's see. Oh, that motherfucker turn on.
Me and Dre on the flight locked in. Pull up playing in that whip, you gon' get boxed in. Never pressed by the bitch, I hit niggas top 10s. On my way back to the city, bitch, I gotta clock in.
I mean A at the O, yeah, we drop about 10. Freaky bitches at the B&B, I want the best friend.